day 2 in Dallas. I'm in a hotel and it's kind of dark over here. So I have an appointment at 2 different apartment complexes today. I'm going to see if my 2 employers on that side of town, see what they're looking like. You know, there's no need to really see if they have openings because I'm not moving yet. But I do want to do a sit-down video on how to move out of state successfully. Not on the whim. Do your research, stay in budget, all of that.
Okay, so when I say do your research, y'all, there's important factors you look into when you want to move out of town. What I did was, I want my forever home right about now, right? I knew Charleston wasn't it. Born and raised there, I knew Charleston wasn't it. Thought Charlotte was going to be it, and that's not it. So I was like, name a place that you've been to that you get a good vibe to every time you go there. Narrow that down by, is that city millennial driven? What's the government like there? As a Democrat, as a Republican? That's important, y'all, because that shows how they'll feed in and pour back into the community surrounding you. Name a big city where you can live outside the city, not far from the big city, and don't pay big city prices. There was a lot of them. Like even Houston was one of them. But I just get a real good vibe.
And I know some people say, well, you don't got kids. You can move around. You can do this. You can do that. You don't have a spouse. This is very true. This is very true. But I have a sister right now that's a single parent of 3, and she want to move. And I'm like, go for it. You know why? Because you can get stuck in an environment. Your mindset can get stuck. You can get very stagnant. Sometimes you have to move to catch a different vibe and a different swag somewhere else. So it's all about being happy, y'all, and not settling. Every day when y'all wake up, do yourself a favor. Look in the mirror and say, I wasn't born to be basic, and I'm definitely not settling. And I'm not. So on to apartment number 1,
okay,
day
so
2.
There's no secret that, you know, I want to buy a house. I connected with a realtor who sent me to this neighborhood called Cedar Creek. And with my leg and whatnot, like, I want a garage for my coupon and stockpile. And I want at least 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And these have awesome pricing. So she sent me over here. I'm liking it, y'all. I'm liking it. So it's a new subdivision. Well, not new, but it's been here for some years. But the houses start at, y'all wouldn't believe this, $170. You're not getting a $170 price nowhere really in the U.S. anymore. And I'm actually, versus how you got like suburbs of Dallas, I guess this would be it. But the zip code over here is still considered Dallas, so you're not far from downtown, so this is cool. So nice so far. I like to look at the layout and landscape of things as I'm driving up. That's a fountain over there, and I guess I turn into here. They look more like townhouses. I guess I turn in over here, so let me go in the office and get to my appointment.
It's gated. Okay, well, I'm early, so let me drive around for a minute and see what it looks like. You know, they always say neighborhoods you really tell when you drive through at night, though. Oh, they got garages. Also, I guess like for my stockpile, if the apartment don't have a lot of storage, I can rent a garage. That's a good thing. Okay, I'm seeing some things that make me nervous before I even go in the office. Y'all can see me? I'm trying to get a good light. I got a pet peeve with cracked up blinds. When you can see it from the road, so that kind of lets me know, like every place that I live, they had that was a no. If they had to replace them, they charge you $30 a blind, or you'll be fined. So that lets me know, like, maintenance may not stay on top of things because, or maintenance, the office staff, because that's not a good look. And I saw like some of them in a row that's like that. Like, look. Okay, and it's true enough, you don't have nothing to do with the way somebody keeps the inside of their home, but
I'm gonna be real honest. Yeah, I kind of bougie, but I ain't moving nowhere. That's just really like an upgraded project. You feel me? Because that don't make no sense. Like that's not a good look. I do like that they got covered carports if you want to park by your house though. But let me head on into this office and see what she said. So my thing, y'all, is in the South, $1,000 can get you a lot. Some people say that's going to get you nothing. I mean, if you're trying to go into downtown, it's one of them high-rise and lofts or something. It's not. But keep in mind, I basically got kind of like a fixed income, but I work as well. So I was working with a moving company, but I decided not to work with them again because she's taking me all these places where these apartments are $1,500, $1,600, $1,800, and then she's telling me, well, you're not going to find anything for $1,000. That's not true, especially outside the city. That's not true. What it is anything over $1,000 her company gets commission for. So what I did when I did my research, I know what I wanted to spend, which is up to $1,000 for a 2-bedroom apartment, and I'm not going past that. So you might just have to put your elbow grease out there. But sometime when these communities are quote unquote affordable, you need to do like I'm doing and come see about it. Hell no. To the no. Another lady had to come talk to me, just give me the information, because some girl in there going off about they tore her car, the paper tag, she got on her bonnet being real ghetto baby, seeing them cracked up blinds, the layout is nice, but we can take this off the list. Just in there being ghetto, and I'm looking like, oh, I see what it's
that was a prime example.
The pictures online match. Like I said, it looks nice, but you can't just pick apartments from what you see online. Man, I couldn't even. The lady was talking to me and talking loud to me, so I could hear over the girl with the bonnet. Come on, man, this 2019 and this how we still carrying on. I said, as a people, like. I can't even pick up my phone and vlog from my phone if I want to because it was just that embarrassing. And like I said, the property is nice, but she said as far as the blinds and all that, she's a new manager. She's getting all that in line because I was like, hey, I ain't living there, no family, no none of that, right? I gotta show my family I ain't living in somebody's hood. She was like, I understand. Yeah, but that's nah. Okay, we at complex 2. Let me do my drive-through. Looks quieter. Looks cleaner. I drove through.
Then turn right.
Thank you, sir. I drove through a gate. So they have a gate as well. Well, I kind of speak too soon when I say cleaner. Well, it is cleaner than the last one, but you know, some people.
500 feet, turn left.
It's not dirty. Let's put it like that. Okay. Carports again. So what the lady was saying is your carport and your garage is an additional fee.
Take the next left, then turn right.
But that's to be expected. So they have garages here. So this is their sister property, but this one, she was like, I understand what you're saying. She said, yeah, but definitely go by that one because it's a lot of older people that live over here. Not as an old, but they just don't have a lot of young tenants that'll tend to hang out and dirty up. I know this is so stereotypical and this is bad. But anytime I see the Grand Marquis on rims, I'm like, ain't no need for me to even get out the car. Ooh, child, the ghetto. Just hanging out in front of the door like that. That particular kind of crowd. Let's just. So after that debacle, the tale of two hoods. Literally straight ghetto. I had some stars that were about to expire. So I'm on a quick little brunch break. Then I'm gonna run the Family Dollar and do a little razzle. and go back by the very first apartment complex.
I'm really feeling, and I like the lady. Them other two, nah. But then there's another two of them I gotta go look at on the way out from this part of town. And then Saturday I'll hit up like Plano and Frisco area.
Think a jingle bell, yeah, yeah. Now move it fast, girl.